Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some rice pudding. This recipe was actually my great-great-grandmother's. Only a handful of ingredients and a little patience are needed to make this old-time favorite dessert. This rice pudding will quickly become one of your family favorites. In a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat, bring water to a boil and cook 1.5 cups of rice for about 20 minutes or until completely cooked. You want it to be thick and tender. Once the rice is done, drain and place back in the pot. Now with the heat off, add 5 cans of evaporated milk. And then over medium heat, cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now this is optional, but I like to soak the raisins in warm water, that way they swell up. Then add in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and continue to cook, constantly stirring for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure to constantly stir, that way the rice and sugar doesn't stick and burn. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and continue to cook for about 10 minutes, constantly stirring. Then add in 1 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of milk and continue to cook for about 5 minutes or until reach desired consistency while constantly stirring. Then turn off the heat and top off with ground cinnamon. This cozy rice pudding is perfect for dessert or a sweet breakfast. This rice pudding will quickly become one of your family favorites. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this rice pudding recipe. This was actually my great-grandmother's recipe, then she passed it down to my grandpa, then he passed it down to my mom, and then she passed it down to me. And now I get to share with you all this great rice pudding recipe. And you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!